Now, to round out our view on sensors and the sensor forecast, I'd like to present a summary of camera, radar, and LiDAR sensors here on the same slides. One of the additional enhancements that we launched in December was the ability to segment the sensor volumes into the level of autonomy, or even further, we could connect these directly to the applications equipped in these vehicles. But here we're just able to see how many sensors are being sold into vehicles equipped with a particular level of autonomy. Now, on camera and radar, these are very well-established sensor technologies in the industry. Automakers around the world have extensive experience with them, and they do represent, these are the sensors that enable level 0 and level 1, and to a large extent level 2 technology today. That said, as we continue to deploy more and more of these level 2 plus systems in the marketplace, you can see just how much of the total camera and radar volume are really carried by these segments. And again, this all comes back to this concept of higher densities of sensor hardware in vehicles, especially at these higher levels of automation. Now, LiDAR paints a very different picture here. Now, we have very little on kind of the level 0, level 1, level 2 end of the spectrum here at the very start. There is a bit, and again, some of this is capturing the early years of those OTA upgradable platforms that have not yet updated to a higher level of autonomy. Relatively small volume here, but we can see very quickly as this market begins to be established in higher volumes from 23 onward. This is where we see these level 2 plus platforms representing a pretty significant growth driver. Level 3 also kind of performing outside of its class here, a greater effect than the number of vehicles that we have in that level 3 segment. But again, here level 4 carrying a lot of the volume here of these LiDAR sensors. Again, just speaking to the density of content that we expect to be equipped to a level 4 vehicle, really representing a change in paradigm compared to the lower levels of autonomy.